Hey, it's Tasha here. I'm so excited to finally share with you the tutorial for one of my favorite projects that I have tackled in years, which is saying something. So today I want to show you how to take super basic and inexpensive riba frames from IKEA and transform them into colorful goodness that totally transformed our upstairs hallway. So for this project, what you're gonna need is however many frames you want. I used 8, and these are the 19-inch square frames. Then you need paint in a variety of colors. I used 8 different colors. And if you want to change the color of the frame itself, you'll need spray paint for that. I used gold. I'm gonna link you to all the colors that I used below, so look for that. And then otherwise you're gonna need whatever your favorite paintbrush is. I tend to use a 1.5-inch angle brush. It really doesn't matter, it could be a foam brush. And I recommend a Dropcloth for whatever surface you're working on, and an apron to keep your clothes clean. That's it, so let's dive right in.
So of course, as with any project, you are going to start by gathering your supplies. I did lay out a drop cloth and put on an apron for this project since I knew I was going to be painting. Then you're going to unwrap your first frame and disassemble it until you have just the mat laid out. Now you're ready to pop open your first color of paint and start painting. There is nothing complicated about this. You're just going to use your paintbrush and use long, even strokes to paint the entire surface of the mat. I applied 2 coats, and you're just going to let it dry for about 30 minutes in between coats. Then once you're done with the first mat, you are going to repeat this process 8 times until all of your mats are painted. Now, in between painting my mats, I would run outside to give the frames themselves a coat of gold spray paint. Just remember, with spray paint, you want to use really light coats and do it several times. So I applied 4 coats of spray paint to them. Now you're ready to hang. So I like to use a laser level so that I know all my frames are going to be perfectly even. And you'll also notice that I use painter's tape to hang the paper inserts that come with the frames on my wall to kind of help me plan my layout. And then finally, I like to use the Command picture hanging strips to hang the frames on the wall. I put one in each corner just to make sure that the frames stay perfectly level at all times. This project was super affordable, didn't take that long, and adds so much color and interest to our hallway.
So that's it. Not hard, not expensive, and it makes a huge impact in whatever space you want to do this in. And this would look beautiful on any gallery wall, whether it's in a bedroom, a family room, or in a hallway like we did it. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you are ever wondering kind of what my design process is and how I come up with these ideas and tricks for combining colors and choosing a color palette, you can find tons of free design guides in my free design library, which is available to all my email subscribers. To subscribe, just head to kaleidoscope.living.com/design library. And I would super appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and by doing that, you'll be notified when new videos like this come out. Thanks for watching.